Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to turn off floating keyboard function in Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus phone. So how to disable floating keyboard, or rather how to go back to our default keyboard. First we need to open our phone settings. Then we need to go to General Management Options menu. Next we need to tap Samsung Keyboard Settings, and then we need to scroll down to the Mode menu. And here, as you can see, we have our floating keyboard. The keyboards can be enabled for the either portrait or landscape mode, and to turn them off, we can simply, as you can see here, go back to the standard keyboard. Of course, we can pick and choose for every view separately, but we want both in the standard view. And that's all. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Bye.